Welcome to Lucid Daily. My name is McKay Thomason, and the purpose of this channel is to not be an echo chamber of hopium, meaning the purpose of this is to provide middle-of-the-road information, get all the news and information possible, and provide a middle-of-the-road perspective, whether it's good, bad, or ugly. What I don't want this to be is a super far bullish channel that's saying Lucid's going to the absolute moon, it's going to do fantastic with no real foundation. But I also don't want this to be a bearish channel that you see a lot on Twitter or on YouTube saying that Lucid is a fraud. And there's so many bad things with Lucid. And of course, Lucid is far from a perfect company. There's a lot of things that they can work on. There's a lot of things that they can get better at, but there's a lot of things that they're doing really well. And I do believe Lucid will grow into the future. And the purpose of this channel is to be able to provide information in a middle of the road point of view where you don't have to sift through all the crap on Twitter and on YouTube regarding trying to figure out if the person is bullish or bearish. My goal is to provide middle of the road information that you can take and learn from. This channel is for people who are either investors into Lucid and want to continue to learn more, people who don't believe in Lucid and need to learn both sides, people that don't understand Lucid and want to learn more, and also for people that are just curious what's going on with the company or if there's any big news that's going on that you want answers to. That is the purpose of the channel. There will be daily episodes of Lucid Monday through Friday, and we will be live streaming things like earnings calls and big events that Lucid puts on. But mainly, it'll be the conglomerate of the news throughout the day regarding Lucid, Twitter posts, anything like that, and also taking away FUD, but also kind of derailing a little bit of the bulls, kind of putting them back on track. That is the purpose of this channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. Consider subscribing if you haven't yet. And like always, we'll see you next time.